My name is Michelle Canada, and I'm the Director of Financial Reporting at Tanger Outlets. I am responsible for all the SEC reporting, any internal schedules we give to the CFO, and some analysis that he uses for his calls that he does with the investors. Life before Vena was very manual. It was a lot of keying in data from our general ledger system. The review process was horrible. His internal audit wanted to know that that was the final version, and the only way to know it's the final version was to PDF it and put all your review notes manually in Adobe. There are so many things we can do now with Vena that we couldn't do before. All our work papers are pulling in the general ledger data that stops people from having to key it in. One of the reports our CFO really loves, and he's always telling me, I love this report, and it helps him on all of his investor calls because he can identify key variances right away. Before Vena, our closing process was 10 days, and now it's cut to 5 days, and it's less manual intensive. We have a fixed asset roll forward that took 2 days to manually key in a bunch of data. Now it only takes a couple hours because you open up the schedule and most of the information is already there. So you're spending more time reviewing it, making sure the information is accurate than actually keying in data. Our accounting department was using it, and then our FP&A decided that they would start using it too. So they're now realizing the power that Vena has of being able to be in a familiar tool that they can use Excel, and it's just another section that's benefiting from Vena now. The best thing I do when I go to work is getting to work in Vena and creating a new report and creating new hierarchies. I'd rather do that than my regular day-to-day boring stuff. So I like process improvement, and Vena gives me all the tools I need to do that.